So hello, what's your name?
My name is Châu.
How old are you, Minh Châu? 5 years old? This one? 1?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, okay, alright. And how are you today? How are you today? Today. Are you... This one? What's this? Okay, thirsty. Or are you... This one, what's this? Uh-huh. How are you? I'm sleepy. How are you? Lively, well done, good girl. Alright, okay. Alright, we're going to do the days of the week, okay? Alright, so tell me, what day is this? What's this? Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday, yeah, okay. Can you tell me what colour? What colour is this?
Yellow, green, orange, blue, pink.
Green. Do you know what number this is? Do you know this number?
2.
2? 0, 20. Okay, alright, okay. And you got a picture, yes? You can have it back now. Ooh, who's this? What's this? Alright, tell me about your family. Hey, tell me about your family. This is my family, yeah? Speak up, I can't hear you. Who is this? Who's this? Is it Minh Châu? This one? You? No, who's that? Grandma. Who's this? Sister? Or what does it say? Mommy. Who's this? So you got baby, daddy, grandpa, grandma, mummy. Who's left? Who's that? That's you, isn't it? Your sister of the baby, yeah? Okay. So this is Minh Châu, yeah? How many people? How many? 1.
6.
Okay, 6. What colour? What colour? What colour is everyone's pink, yeah? Okay, alright. Okay, well done, Minh Châu. You all finished?